Demanding the implementation of the rehabilitation provisions as per the tripartite agreement, surrendered members of the NLFT and ATTF began blocking national highways and railway tracks at various places across the state from Wednesday morning. The blockade continued at Baramura on the Assam-Agartala National Highway and at the Shubal Singh area near Hijamara on the Agartala-Khowai Kailashar National Highway from Friday morning. A railway blockade was also carried out at Brigudaspara near Mandai. Due to the protest, the state's transport and communication system was almost brought to a standstill. Meanwhile, the state administration made efforts to convince the surrendered militants to withdraw their agitation. Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Shah, who was in Delhi, took the initiative on the matter. He sent a message to Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Dev Burma, assuring that after returning to the state, he would hold a meeting with the surrendered groups along with senior officials. The Chief Minister also conveyed that their issues would be resolved through discussions. Minister Vikas Dev Burma personally went to Baramura and delivered the Chief Minister's message to the protesters. Following this assurance, the surrendered militant leader finally decided to withdraw the national highway and railway blockade. At around 1:30 p.m., surrendered militant leader Prasenjit Dev Burma officially announced the withdrawal of the agitation. He informed that the Chief Minister himself would chair the meeting, which would also be attended by the Chief Secretary, the Director General of Police and secretaries and officials of various departments. He stated that Chief Minister had assured them that their issues would be addressed through dialogue and based on this assurance, the blockade was withdrawn.
4 भाग में 3 भाग जैसे कि हम लोग सॉल्यूशन में आ गया था तो और थोड़ा कुछ खिंचा हुआ था वो खिंचा हुआ हम लोग का भी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर साहब ने और हमारा आईजीपी साहब भी था साथ में आके इतना एसपी अदर्स ऑफिसर लोग आके ये एश्योरेंस दिया है हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा मैसेज भेजा है वो खुद चेयरमैन बन के बैठेंगे उसमें चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब भी रहेंगे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा डीजीपी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा ऑनरेबल ट्राइबल वेलफेयर मिनिस्टर और आईजीपी इंटेलिजेंस सब रहेंगे ये हम लोग का आशा है इसीलिए वो जो उन लोग का गवर्नमेंट का तरफ से जो आवेदन किया गया था अभी तो हम लोग तीनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का तरफ से एनएलटी एटीटीएफ का तरफ से आज हम लोग का जो बंद है वो बंद को हम लोग अभी समाप्त करता हूँ.
Following the announcement of the withdrawal of the blockade, normal traffic movement resumed on the national highway. The general public also expressed relief after the agitation was called off. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.